Hello TV fam. So, saan tayo pupunta ka?
Mexican restaurant.
What's the name ng Mexican restaurant?
I forgot na.
It's Little Mexico Cantina. Sa Steveston siya. So, punta muna tayo doon for lunch. And then later, naimbitahan si Clark to go trial ng soccer. Maraming salamat kay Kerwin Flores for the invite. Shout out sa iyo, sir. Thank you. And susubukan natin mag-attend kung nasa kondisyon si Clark. Anong hula mo, Bakal? Kasi kanina nag-iinartig si Clark sa ayaw niyang pumunta.
I think he'll be okay.
Oh?
He'll still want to do it.
Kumusta ang mo, Carl? How's your summer school?
It's okay.
Okay? When's your last day?
August 7.
August 7?
Yeah.
Lapit na. Ganito na ang usapan ng magulang at teenager. Always quiet and in the zone. Dati, 11 and below, puro kwento. Ngayon, wala nang kakwento-kwento. Alam ko, naturuan mo na lang ako ng mga words or lingwahe sa mga Gen Z. Give mo na a few. Give me one now.
No.
This is our session that Calvin teaches his dad. Give me a word.
I don't want you to use it.
You teach me nga eh.
I don't want you to use it.
Sige na. First word.
You can say...
What's the word? Say the word first.
Cooked.
Ano yung sabihin na cooked?
It's like a feeling. Like for example, you have a final exam tomorrow and
Oh.
you didn't study.
And then you
prepared
say,
ka, you're cooked. Kasi like you're not doing, there's no way out of it.
Parang you did not prepare. Tapos you know that you're gonna fail.
Yeah,
So that's what you say. I'm cooked. That's word number 1. Susubukan natin gamitin yun.
No.
In a sentence. Siguro, sinasabi mo na yan sa sarili mo ngayon, no? You're cooked. Because you're in this vlog. Ano next word mo?
No, next word.
Next word.
How many
God.
words?
Just keep on going. God, what's your next word?
Goat.
Ha?
Goat.
Goat. Goat, kambing.
Acronym, greatest of all time.
Greatest of all time. When do you use that?
When you feel like you've done something really good.
When you've done something really good? Like how?
Like for example,
You were able to shoot 3 points. I'm the GOAT, gano'n? Greatest of all times. Yun yung meaning ng GOAT. Hindi ko maisip kung kailan ko gagamitin yung GOAT. Pero cooked. Gawin yung cooked. What else? Third word. Anong third word natin? What's the third word? Kasi si Joyce maraming alam dyan eh. Siya nga ginagamit niya bigla kay Cal eh.
She doesn't.
No, she does. I know you're thinking of one already. That's why you're laughing. Third word.
Chop.
Chopped. Ano yun? Parang cooked din? Chopped?
Like it's an experience.
Like
if you don't like the experience, for example, if you go grocery shopping, ayaw mo, you say this is chopped.
If you don't like the experience, that's when you use the word chopped. Pag yung mga words ba na yan, yung mga sinasabi mo, they have the same regular spelling? Or it's different? Oh, they're the same. Chopped. So, ibig sabihin, you being in this vlog, you're telling yourself that you're chopped. Ha? Okay, so I have 3 words. Okay, ano pa? Magbigay ka ba? Teka, review natin yung sinabi mo. Ano yung first word is what? Cooked, di ba? Cooked, goat, at saka chop. O yan, nakakatatlo na tayo. Ano pa? Ano pang ano? Magbigay ka ba? I hear you say things, lalo na paglalaro siya ng games. In passing lang, pero no, you use other things
Like
pa.
what?
Just say, just you tell me. That's why you educate me.
How long is this drive?
What else? Okay, I'm gonna make it slow pa, lalo.
Calling yourself him.
What do you mean calling yourself him?
Oh, for example, when someone says I'm him, that means like he's one of the best. Interchangeable with another goat po.
And how do you use that?
For example, you
Oh,
you dunk on someone.
oh,
You say I'm him.
I'm him.
Him means like you're the greatest. You're good. You're the idol
Oh,
of the players.
okay.
Mm.
So when I eat something, stole food from your plate, can I say that I'm
No.
him?
Oh.
I'm him. I'm him. Okay, so that's the fourth. Ano ba yung next? Ano ba yung next? What, 30 kilometers an hour ka?
No, go back.
Come on, you need to tell me.
Go faster.
You need to tell me.
Wait, there's a car behind us.
No, it's 30 kilometers an hour. I'm him, what else?
I don't know anything else.
What else? Ano, meron rin ako, wicked. Is that being used?
No.
Ah, wicked? That's wicked. No. That's wicked, dude.
No.
Ano ba?
Uses that.
Okay. Gawa-gawa mo na yun. Wicked. Pero parang narinig ko yun eh. Ano ba? Give me another word.
Fire.
Fire.
It's like if something's good. Like
That's-
for example, if we're eating Filipino food, you can say this is fire.
O pag halimbawa nasarapan ka, parang, oh, that's
Opo.
fire. Oh.
Don't say that.
Maybe you can use that now. That's fire. Okay. That's, ano pang ilan na yun? That's our 5th word. Okay, konting recap. We have cooked. We have the goat. We have I'm him. We have fire. No, parang ano.
4 lang. Diba?
4 pa lang. Oh, yan. Yung pala yung 4. Oh, so yung 5th word natin. What's the 5th word? Naisip ko. So hindi talaga ginagamit ang wicked, ah. That's wicked. Parang I hear other students say that.
They're old then.
They're old, so yung mga old lang yung gumagamit doon. Oh, ano pa? Ano pa? Give me more.
I
Give me
don't want
more.
you to use these.
Huh?
I don't want you to use these.
We're not gonna use it. Maybe in one time.
No.
Give me 5th word. Sige na. What's the 5th one? Yung parang hindi ko naman narinig yung mga sinasabi mo. Give me yung mga parang really common that everyone uses. You're giving me like the parang the non-popular ones.
No, they're popular. I just don't use them.
Oh, come on, give me more. What else?
Yeah, I know. You only say this if you want someone. Ayun na sila.
You say it when?
You only say it if you're talking to a friend. You don't say it to the family.
Oh,
Okay. You say
a friend.
Saibaw.
what's a saibaw?
There's cuss words in it. It's basically a rude way of telling someone to be quiet.
Oh, how do you spell that?
I don't want to spell
Saibaw.
that.
Saibaw. So may curse word daw yun. Anyway, sige.
Don't teach that to
Or else I'm
your
gonna
mom.
be cooked. We should we Saibao?
No.
Anyway, kanina sa restaurant, siguro meron lang ulit. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Steve's Town. Now, we're gonna eat here sa Little Mexico Cantina. And Mexican food tayo ngayon. It's a Saturday nga pala. Thank you, Daddy. So, nagbabalik na naman po tayo sa panibagong session.
I don't want anymore.
Nag-lunch kami sa Little Mexico Cantina. And after an hour of break, nagbabalik tayo ulit sa ating turuan mo ang tatay ko session. How would you rate the food, Gal?
It's okay.
Rate it 1 to 5.
4.
Oh! Taas ang rating mo ah. Recap natin. Nandyan yung goat. Nandyan yung chopped. Nandyan yung cooked. Nandyan yung... Ano yung bad word? Saibachi? Ay. What's that word? Huh? What's the word?
Saibao.
Saibao. What else? You have the goat. I'm him. Okay. Come on. Let's use it in a sentence. No. Going home. Ay, hindi pala tayo going home. Going doon sa soccer. Oh! Meron ko pala sinabi. Fire. 6 na pala yung yung ating list. Gal, that's fire. Yun pala ang tawag doon. Slang words ng mga high school. Pero naiisip ko lang, paano pa kaya yung pag tumanda-tanda na kami, hindi na namin maintindihan yung mga sinasabi nitong mga to. Ngayon, pag sinabi kong go, you have to use one of those 6 words. Ulitin natin, ha? You have the goat, I'm him, chopped, cooked, fire, what am I missing? Saibao. Okay. Are you ready? You have to do this.
No.
Yes.
No. That's...
Each time na magsasalita, halimbawa, tanungin kita, you need to use one of those 6 words na tinuro mo sa akin in your response or in your question. Okay, ready? In 3, 2, 1, Cal. I think Clark will play later and he will be on fire. What do you think about that? Oh no?
Clark is him.
Clark is him. Okay, then you ask your question.
Is this challenge cooked?
Is this challenge cooked?
The one
That's how you use it, ba?
Yeah.
No, I think this is fire. Give me one experience that you've had recently and then people said you're the GOAT. What? Thank you for playing the game, Cal.
Okay.
This is really a fire experience. Ayan, meron sila nakasetup doon. I'm not so sure kung nakikita nyo, but that area, ayan, meron ng mga nakasetup for camp for soccer. At ito na ang aming soccer player wearing blue. Let's go! Neonの絡む肌踊る影揺れるステップ流されるままにはにかむ横顔に遠くで響く鼓動探すほど見 getting the hang of it. Oh, nope.
Lord, back here!
And today we have Clark here for the U5 group. Hi. Good. So I'll call your name, then you go to your designated coaches, okay? So for the U6 or U5, Coach Robert, go. Griffin, let's go. Eldon, let's go. Janela and Clark. Go to Coach Robert for now.
Yun.
So guys, how are you today?
Good.
Good? You're really enthusiastic today. So what we're gonna do today, we will learn how to play soccer. But before we play with the ball, we will learn how to run. Okay?
So easy.
Yes.
Oh, see?
So it's just the same, just like what we did last week. If you remember, okay? So I want you to stand behind this blue
I
cones.
will remember.
Stand behind the blue cones and line up. So we still have another blue cone here. So two of you can move here. Alden, you can stay here, Alden. So is it your ball?
How's my ball? The red one is mine.
Okay.
Okay, that's my ball.
Okay, what we're gonna do is I'll give you example here. So whenever I blow the whistle, you just leave your ball there. You don't need your ball for now. You grab the blue markers with you, and then you run between the cones here. It's getting narrower, right? So make sure that you run between the cones. Go to the second cone, third cone, fourth cone, and once you get here, jump over the cone.
Yung assistant coach.
So just leave your ball.
Magaling yung assistant coach.
Run back. Run back. Let's go.
Is Clark gonna be on fire or cooked?
Okay, so remember once you get here.
Tingnan natin kung masusundan ni Clark.
Okay, next turn. To grab the blue markers there.
There.
And then bring them back to here, okay?
Okay.
Like that.
Palitan kami syempre. Kanina ako, kanina si Joyce, tapos ngayon naman si Cal. Kailangan samahan si Clark eh.
Whoa! You just missed the whole...
Grab the ball. Yeah.
Okay, grab the marker.
Run towards mom. Kunin mo siya.
Come on. Go to me, Clark.
No! Gumawa ng sariling rules. Kasama natin si Kuya John. John Mename. So, si Kuya John, siya yung parang pinaka-coach dito sa camp.
Yeah,
No?
sa
Soccer camp?
BN Football Academy.
Okay. Then, if ever man interesado sila na mag-apply or mag-register, ano bang proseso mo?
Meron po kaming Facebook page.
Okay.
Just search lang BN Football Club. Magpa-pop up na yun dyan sa Facebook. Or
Okay.
they can call me or text me anytime at 604-724-3942.
Okay, yung information na yan, ilalagay ko yan sa screen at saka sa description para kung interested kayo, paki-contact na lang si Kuya John. 3:11 in the afternoon, meron pang 49 minutes medyo top out na yung ating
And
soccer player.
yeah, and I was.
Are you tired?
No, I
No?
need to watch TV.
Gusto na manood ng TV. Anyway, uwi na tayo. To close this session, give me one last.
No.
Okay, TS. So what is TS?
Just this. It's a
Huh?
short way of saying this.
TS. Okay, so how do
can
you use
say-
that?
You don't say TS, you say it like the automatically of it.
How?
Like TIS.
TS.
And then you can say it like this. You substitute with the word this. So for example, you want to say this is cool. You just say TS is cool.
Oh, TS is cool.
But don't use that. It's really
Ano?
childish.
Childish?
I never use it.
Tis. 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 Okay, guys. This is we're gonna end our vlog. So, kung meron kayong natutunan o natuwa kayo kahit paano, please continue to share the video, like, comment. Kung meron pa kayong mga ibang slang word na alam na pwedeng ma-share nyo dyan sa baba, please comment it. And then again, we'll see you on our next.
Vlog.
Okay, paalam!
Bye.
City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down. City of mine.